In this video, you will learn how you can switch to FPP and back to TPP in your game in Unreal Engine. Let's get begin. So firstly, what you have to do, go inside your content browser and go to your character. I am going to do with this mannequin. You can go on with your any character. And here inside a viewport, what we are going to do is just adding a new camera, and we will move this camera inside our mesh to make it a child. And here inside our parent socket, we are going to choose head because we want our camera to stick in the head. So in that way we will get our FPP camera. Now adjust your this camera. I will reset the all rotations and location setting, and now I will just rotate it 90 degrees to make a camera angle to be in the front, and I will rotate it from this way too. Now after this, here right hand side, just make sure to turn on use spawn control rotation and compile and save it. Again right hand side under the search bar, search for auto active and turn it off. Now I will rename this both cameras so that it will easier for me to understand that which camera is for which functions and use it in our blueprint. Now we will move ahead for our blueprint. So here we are going to create a blueprint, but before that, first go inside the edit mode. Under project settings, we will make an input. Go inside the inputs, and here action mapping, create a new action and name it whatever you want. I am just writing simple camera switch. Now under its detail, you can add a key, and I am adding C. You can go with any number or any key you want. Now we will come back to our graph, and here we will search our input that we just created. So now we will add a flip-flop. Actually, flip-flop is used to do two functions using a single input. Okay, so we will add a flip-flop there. Then we will drag our FPP camera and connect it to a active and turn that active on, so that whenever we will press C, it will active, and we will do that same for our TPP, but we will make that active to be unticked, so that after pressing C, our FPP camera will activate and TPP camera will deactivate, and doing the same function for flip B but with opposite operations. Now we have to set the yaw. Yaw is basically used to tell us about the rotation of a player with camera. Now we will drag a set yaw in our graph and turn that on in our FPP and turn that off in our TPP. Now compile and save this and come back to your home screen, and here when you press play, then you can find after pressing C, we are able to switch to FPP and back to TPP. So that's enough for this video. If you have any query related to this, you can ask me in the comment section. Bye bye.